Good morning, everyone. Jesse Webb, TradersPro. I've got this initial chart here of the Dow. The Dow stocks have been moving the strongest in this most recent rally, and a couple things to be aware of as we're potentially having a shorter term top here. We've had this uptrend. One of the things we're running into now is that the Dow momentum is up here in this extreme range. That doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to get a significant reversal, but typically this is an unsustainable location. So we could see markets running here into a little bit of resistance in the shorter term. This number is sitting right at 210. That is the upper range. I've seen it up about 250 before, and so it's good. All these things are really strong. We're moving in this overall uptrend. Now, if we look at the current market conditions, we certainly are bullish in this bear market. Remember, that's still a pretty significant downtrend that the market does have quite a bit to do. Our buy-sell ratio is continuing to strengthen, and we're seeing that number right now here at 2.58. The sentiment is also potentially running into this upper range, which we want to also be aware of. That location is an area where we can run into some resistance and start to move back down. The other positive thing for the stocks, we're definitely seeing Dow stocks, and I'm just focusing on the Dow for this update. We've got the industrials that have got 26 in this upper buy range, this new uptrend, and 3 at holds and 1 at sell. So these stocks are moving strong. I just took a glance at McDonald's, and McDonald's has had a real strong move, even breaking out. But again, be aware, this is a pretty powerful move for McDonald's. But a lot of these stocks now are in this upper range and could pull back just a little bit. Ideally, we get them to pull back without having much of a retracement. And there's some support right here, and allow that trend to kind of settle back just a little bit to pause and refresh for a new uptrend. So keep an eye on some of those things today. Tech had a really strong move. If we take a look at the Qs, and it is definitely lagging. Tech is lagging right here. We've yet to see kind of a confirmation move. That was a really strong bar on Friday, and this is actually a really bullish looking pattern right here for tech. So tech had been lagging. We saw Amazon, and we saw a lot of those companies that had their earnings report and were gapping significantly lower, and all of them rallied really hard. So there was a lot of buying right here. So some bullish tendencies happening in the market right now. Keep an eye on that. Tech may be the place where we see some rotation and some money coming back into that. If you don't have full access to the site, go ahead and take a look at my offer at the link below, and we look forward to having you. Have a great day today.